Mustard seeds do not come from mustard flowers. Where do they come from? What is the difference between yellow mustard and black mustard? Let's find out. Along with that, let's also see how the purest yellow mustard oil is extracted in today's time without using bullock-powered mills. So, come along with me. A large container is placed at the bottom, and a sieve is placed on top so that no impurities remain in the oil. And this, my friends, is yellow mustard. These are the seeds that have not been dried in the sun for too long. Now, the seeds will be poured into the machine. You can see here that a large quantity of mustard seeds has been used. And if we talk about where mustard seeds come from, let me tell you, the small pods alongside mustard flowers contain these seeds. Each pod holds about 5 to 6 seeds, which are later dried, after which yellow and black mustard seeds are obtained. Now, this machine has been rotated and you can see the oil starting to drip from the bottom. Meanwhile, a residue, hali, is being expelled from the front. This residue is not waste, it is used as animal feed. You can see here that the oil is being extracted drop by drop from the cold press machine, and this oil is completely pure, just like the oil extracted using traditional bullock-powered mills. The residue that comes out is very soft so that animals can easily chew and digest it. You can see here, it's so soft that if you hold it in your hand, it will crumble like powder. This means it still retains many nutrients. Here, you can also see different types of oils that you can easily extract at home using the same machine, whether it's coconut oil or any other type of oil. The mustard seeds that remain are separated, and the extracted oil is filled into bottles. You can see here, many bottles have already been filled. The oil that has been extracted will be filtered once again to ensure no impurities remain. And here, our pure mustard oil is now completely ready. Using this oil for cooking or applying it to the body will keep your bones very strong and prevent weight gain. So, make sure to use it. Now, the oil will be filled into containers one by one. After bottling, the caps will be sealed and labels will be applied. Once packed, these bottles are ready for sale. Cold-pressed oil is considered the purest in today's time. So, whenever you buy oil, make sure it's cold-pressed so that you get all its benefits. Regular oil extracted by large machines lacks these qualities, no matter how advanced the extraction process is. So, you should also use mustard oil. I'll see you in the next video.